Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So I had a customer come in with a beautiful Road Glide. We had been talking back and forth for a while. He wanted a powerful 4-speaker setup. He's not ready to put woofers in the bag yet, but he wants something played nice and loud, clear, and a bunch of mid-bass. But the problem is he has LP6 style headlights. So we needed to, in order to get a 4-speaker setup to play as loudly as possible, we would normally do 2 separate amplifiers, one bridge to the front, one bridge to the rear. Because of the headlight and headlight bracket, we had to do this with just one amplifier. So we ended up going with a Cicada 1400.4P FLX amplifier. The DSP is integrated, so we don't need to find a spot to put the DSP and the amplifier since they're both in one, and this amplifier puts out great power. All we had to do was modify the headlight bracket in the center, and the amplifier slid in under the radio. It poked out a little in front of the headlight bracket, but it fit. We were able to bolt it in place and keep the off-road headlights in place and give our speakers plenty of power. For this one, we went with NVS Audio high-res tweeters in the speaker grills. We went with Euphoria xpert 6.5 in the front fairing, and the high-power Euphoria xpert 6x9 in the lids. Setup sounded amazing, ton of mid-bass, played nice and loud. The amplifier allows us to squeeze big power in the fairing and still keep the off-road headlights, so everything came together beautifully. We were happy the way it came out. He was super happy with the way it came out. At the end of the video, I'll post a clip of a video he sent me enjoying the bike the night that we delivered it. Check it out.
Grips on your ways, front way, back way. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away, even when I'm away. OT, OT, there's never much love when we go OT. I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray. That's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me.
Baby, I like your style.
Strength and guidance. All that I'm wishing for my friends. Nobody makes it from my hands. I had to bust up the silence. You know you gotta stick by me. Soon as you see the text, reply me. I don't wanna spend time fighting. We got no time, and that's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my
the bitch and I be sliding down Rosecrans with my close friends. Bitch, I ain't no kid, I'm a grown man. And I don't need your cash, got my own bands. But they call me Mr. Breaker, bitch in Japan, and I'm with gang gang. Yeah, gang gang, big dog shit, dog tag, let them chains hang. Big choke, bitch, I hope this ain't your main thing. And I be sliding around with the bananas like a orangutan. And I be sliding around with that dick like a stud dude.
in the tail of my fingernails. I got the suit from Miguel, I know it fit me well. Until soup, I'm on my health kick. I'm about to say our most expensive is the Netflix. I put slapping pussy niggas on my checklist. I think they think I'm soft ever since I had kids. They take me everything, not the
Show man, meet me face to face with your talk, then you can go for me. I don't hold grudges, I go harder than I shit on them. What's up, nigga? Remember when you used to call me Lil Homie? Not so fresh game, and you tried to backdoor a nigga. Through all the bullshit, I still love you, you my brother, nigga. I love a lot of things, but the game the most. Took me out the streets to G4s and boats. I've been doing this, I don't brag about it. Nigga, 2015, I was having the most. Now it's 2019 and I'm having some more. I was trying to make it shake, you was chasing the hoe. When I touch down P, you know I'm making it slow. Make a nigga relocate the trap for show. I'm still at it. Yeah, man. I'm still at it. Still at it. Man. My nigga still at it. I'm still at it. I don't even know how I do it, so don't ask me that. Trying to give my little one everything I didn't have.